Hello everyone and welcome to our look at the NRS Healthcare Wall Mounted Folding Shower Seat M53552. This premium seat is thickly padded to ensure your comfort and safety while you shower. It folds up compactly against the wall to fit perfectly in smaller bathrooms or showers. The integrated legs provide extra stability and support for a very secure seating experience. You can easily adjust the seat height from 18 to nearly 24 inches. This sturdy unit supports a maximum user weight of up to 350 pounds. Enhance your daily routine with this reliable and convenient folding shower chair today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.